Do you know how does turbidity affect water treatment processes? In today's video, we'll discuss in detail, so let's start. Turbidity significantly impacts water treatment processes as it reflects the presence of suspended particles such as silt, clay, organic matter, and microorganisms. High turbidity levels can complicate several stages of water treatment, requiring additional steps and resources to ensure water quality. 1. Pretreatment. Turbid water entering the treatment facility may cause blockages or fouling of intake screens and pipes, increasing maintenance and operational costs. It also makes coagulation and flocculation processes less efficient, as the coagulants, such as aluminum sulfate or ferric chloride, may need to be added in higher doses to bind the suspended particles effectively. 2. Filtration efficiency. In filtration systems, such as sand or multimedia filters, high turbidity can reduce the lifespan and effectiveness of the filters. The particles can clog the filter media more quickly, requiring more frequent backwashing or even premature filter replacement. This can lead to higher operational costs and energy consumption. 3. Disinfection. Turbidity reduces the effectiveness of disinfection processes, such as chlorination or UV treatment. Suspended particles can shield harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, or protozoa from the disinfectants, making it harder to achieve complete inactivation. As a result, higher disinfectant doses may be needed, which could lead to unwanted byproducts, like trihalomethanes in chlorination. 4. Water quality and safety. Elevated turbidity levels can compromise the aesthetic quality of the treated water by causing it to appear cloudy, which can negatively affect public perception of water safety. More critically, the presence of particulates increases the risk of microbiological contamination, potentially leading to health hazards like gastrointestinal illnesses. 5. Regulatory compliance. Most regulatory bodies, such as the World Health Organization, WHO, and local health agencies, set maximum turbidity limits, usually 1 NTU or lower for drinking water. Failure to meet these standards due to high turbidity can result in violations, fines, or plant shutdowns. In summary, managing turbidity is critical in water treatment to ensure the efficiency of processes, maintain regulatory compliance, and provide safe, high-quality drinking water. Effective removal strategies, including coagulation, sedimentation, and filtration, are key to overcoming the challenges posed by turbidity. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.